Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to divide Google Slides into 3 sections. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Google Slides website and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you're in your main dashboard, navigate to your Google Slides presentation. After opening your presentation, go to the Layout option in the top toolbar. Google Slides offers a variety of predefined layouts, but since we want to customize our own, choose Title and 2 columns. This will divide your slide into 2 sections to start with, a good foundation before adding the third one. Next, select both of the text boxes that make up these 2 columns by clicking on each one. Then, adjust their sizes by clicking and dragging the edges inward to make room for a third column. Now, to add the third column, click on one of the existing text boxes and copy it. You can either right-click and select Copy or press Ctrl+C. Then paste it onto your slide by pressing Ctrl+V. You'll now see your third text box appear. Position and resize this new text box so it aligns perfectly with the other 2 columns. Use the grid lines in Google Slides to help you ensure everything is balanced and symmetrical. And that's it. So that is how you can divide Google Slides into 3 sections. So that's all for this video. Thanks.